Hello friends, I welcome you all to Crazy Calculation series of Board and Beyond. So friends, this series is dedicated for you to learn new concepts which will actually save time during examination, right friends? So today what we are going to learn is that we are going to learn how to use Venn diagram to find out HCF and LCM of 2 or 3 or multiple numbers, right? So this is a concept which will actually save your time, and this is better because it is a pictorial representation, right? So which be there with you for a longer time, right? So let's understand this with a simple example of two numbers of 2 digits, right? So let's say we have to find out LCM and HCF of 24 and 30. How do we do it, right? So what do we do, friend? The question is LCM and HCF of 24 and 30. We are expected to find LCM and HCF of 24 and 30. So what do we do is that we make two circles intersecting each other like this, right? On the top we write 24 and here we write 30. We do prime factorization for 24, that is 2, 2, 3, 2. You got it? So 2 divided by 2 is 12, 12 is 3, 4. So 8 into 3 is 24. Similarly, we do it for 30. We divide it by 2, remaining is 15. 15 is nothing but 5 into 3. Right friends? So these are the prime factorization for these two numbers. Now what do we do is that whatever is common in them, that is this and this, okay, we write it in the common place, that is the intersection of two circles, okay, here. And let's say this is common and this is common, so we will cancel it and write it here, okay. Next step, again if there is something common to it, 3 and 3, we will cancel this and that also we will write it here, correct. Now we are left with 2 and 2 and 5, so nothing is common. So 2 and 2 comes here and 5 comes here, like this. Right? Now this portion, whatever I have said it, okay, is HCF. And the entire thing is LCM. Entire thing. How do I represent it? Let's say whatever is dotted. Dotted considers this also. Right? So HCF will be nothing but 2 into 3 in this case. You got my point? This portion is the HCF. And LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This is the LCM, right? So this is basically 6 and this is 4 to the 8, 24 into 5 is 120. You got my point, right? So this is basically pictorial representation. This we call it as a Venn diagram. Right? Now, friends, what is happening here is that you see there was a question which I solved in the last class saying that the two numbers has got HCF as 15 and LCM as 175. Is it possible? Okay. Then we said no, it is not possible because HCF is not completely dividing the LCM. Correct? You remember if you remember, right? So the concept is actually which is coming from here. See, this HCF is a part of the LCM, so HCF should divide the LCM completely because this 2 and 3 is part of LCM. This 2 and 3 HCF is a part of this LCM. You are getting it? So that is why your HCF should completely divide the LCM for any two numbers. So friends, this was the pictorial representation for two numbers. Now let us add another number to it, another 2-digit number to it, and try to see how does it change or what are the changes that we have to make and what are the use, how we can actually explore the things. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to basically wrap it off, friends, because a lot of markings I have already done. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add 44 to it, one more number, right? Now let us say if there are three numbers, how do we use Venn diagram to find out LCM and HCF of these three numbers, right? Okay, so 1, 2 number, 3 number, right? Let us call this as 24, this is 30 and this is 44, right? We saw the factorization, prime factorization, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, right? And this we saw it as 2 into 5 into 3. Now 44 can be written as 2 into 2 into 11. Every number has become prime number now. Now friends, what we have to do here is that, see, basically there are three sets, you can call it as three sets, 1, 2, 3, right? We'll study like this in higher classes. So intersection of these two is this place, right? Whatever I stated in the earlier problem, right? There is an intersection of these two sets also, which is actually this. You're getting my point? And there is an intersection of these two sets also, which is this. And there is a common intersection for all the three sets, that is this, right? So your HCF will be the numbers which are actually lying in this area, which is common to all. The factors which are common to all will be a product of those factors will be the HCF for you. Now let's do it. So 2 is here, 2 is here and 2 is here. So 2 must go here. Correct? And after this we will strike it off. Over. We have used it. Right? Now 2 is here but 2 is not here. Okay. I cannot write it here. But 2 is here and 2 is here. You are getting my point? So I will strike it off and write in the intersection of these two sets. That is here. You are getting my point? Now only 11 is left. So I will put 11 here. Okay? Now in this anything else is common? Yeah. 3 is here, 3 is here. So 3 we can write it only in the intersection of these two here, but not the intersection of all three. Please mind it. Intersection of all three. We cannot write 3 here. We can write 3 only here because 3 is common only in 24 and 30, but it is not available with 44. Please be careful while doing that. Right? Now here left with 5. So I write it here. Here I am left with another 2. I write it here. Okay, my diagram is completed now. Venn diagram is completed. Now let us say we will first find out HCF. HCF of 24, 30 and 44 is equal to the number which is lying here at the intersection of all the three sets, that is equal to 2. Okay, now you can individually find out the HCF of, let us say, 24 and 30. HCF of 24 and 30, only 2 digits. I am omitting this 44. So 24 and 30, so these two, intersection of these two is this, right? This area. Let me dot it. Right? So that is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. Is it right? Is this the value that we saw it in the last problem? Right? Now you can also find out HCF of 30 and 44, that is these two numbers. Okay, so intersection of this and this is only 2, right? You getting it? Right? This and yeah, only 2. Correct? Fine. Now HCF of, you can find out HCF of 24 and 44 as well. 24 where it is, 24 here it is, 44 here it is. Intersection of these two, okay, is how much? 2 and 2. That is 2 into 2. That is equal to 4. You are getting my point? So all this HCF you can find out. Let's do LCM this side. LCM of 24, 30 and 44. How much, my friends? LCM will be multiplication of all the numbers which is lying here. Right? So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, into 3 is 24, into 5 is 120, into 11, 120, 11 is 1320. I'll just write it here. How did it come? So that later on, if you want to revise it, you should not get confused. This is how this number has come. Correct? So 8 into 3 is 24, into 5 is 120, 120 into 11 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1320. What my point? Now you can find out LCM of 24 and 30 only. That is, I am talking about only these two. So everything whatever is lying in these two circles will get multiplied. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 4, into 2 is 8, into 5 is 8, into 3 is 24, into 5 is 120. You are getting my point? Is this the number that we found out in the last previous problem? Correct? LCM. Now you can find out LCM of, let's say, 30 and 44. Right, friends? So 30 and 44. So this set and this set, whatever is lying inside this will get multiplied. 3 into 2 is 6, into 2 is 12, into 5 is 60, into 11 is 660. You are getting my point? LCM of 24, 30, 24 and 44. 24 and 44, that is this and this. So whatever is lying in this area will get multiplied. So 2 into 2 is 4, into 2 is 8, into 3 is 24, 24 into 11. So 24 into 11 is nothing but 264. This is 24 into 11. Let me write it here so that you can refer it back whenever you are seeing it again. So 660, which one? 30 and 44 I write, right? 30 and 44. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. This is 660. Right? And this 24 into 30, this also I write. Why should I leave this? So is equal to 2 into 2. So this and this, right? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Right? Okay. So you have seen this. Basically, we can go up to 4 digits also, but the things will keep getting complicated. Okay. So see, if you once you make this diagram, we call it as a Venn diagram. Once you make it, and then how things become clear to us. So you can find out LCM of 2 numbers, LCM of 3 numbers, different combination of numbers, right? See, 24 and 30, 30 and 44, 24 and 44. Similarly, you can find out HCF as well for all the 3 numbers, for combination of any 2 numbers in between these two, right? Okay. So this was the thing that I wanted to basically highlight to you today. Okay. So let me stand here. Okay. So with this, I close this session here, friends. So let's meet up. I hope you have learned something new today, and you will apply in your exams or wherever you are studying. So till the time we meet next, be happy, be safe, keep learning with us, stay tuned with us. We will get you different types of short techniques and new understanding, new learnings, right? So that is it. So thank you all. Thank you for listening. Bye. God bless you all. Make your parents proud. Fine. Thank you. Bye.